Introduce yourself.
My name is Abhiram. I am from Ongole. I am currently pursuing BTech in Ministry Institute of Technology under the stream of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I have done my certification courses in various online courses like Udemy, Allison. So I am very well versed in machine learning and deep learning and data science, and I have an experience in data analysis. I have done some projects in Kaggle and I have worked on those works.
Difference between Java and Python?
Java and Python both are high-level languages. Both are object-oriented programming languages. A Python is an interpreted type language, which means the code is run by line and it compiled after it. And a Java is a compiled language and it converts the code into bytecode, and then with the help of JVM it turns it. And in Java it only inherit properties from a single parent, but in Python it inherit properties from multiple parent chains. And in Python there are different type of libraries and packages that are imported from itself, but in case of Java we need to import from external resources and external things.
What is abstraction?
Abstraction is a principle in object oriented programming language and in computer science, where we can deal with only the interface and the features we are extracting, but we not deal with the features what is going behind the scenes.
What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation is a principle of object oriented programming language where a class and method only performs, and we do not give the unauthorized access to everyone, and it has done a private, and we should not include the public accessory mode to it.
Real-time example for stack in OS.
Stack is a first in first out principle, which means in stack it is mostly used in operating systems where our functions and parameters are compiled and we run based on those.
What is OSI layer?
OSI layer means open system interconnection. It has different types of layers: physical layer, data link layer, and mainly these types of applications are useful in HTTP protocols and some websites.
What is DSA?
DSA means data structures and algorithms. Data structures is organized to create and manipulate the data. And there are different types of data structures: linear data structures and non-linear data structures. And algorithms are they are set of rules for performing the program.
What is difference between HTML5 and HTML4?
HTML5 and HTML4 both are the versions of the hypertext markup languages, and HTML4 is established in 1997 and HTML5 is established in 2014. The new mode of HTML5 is very useful as it includes the more attributes, and it uses some more different kinds, and it also includes more set of canvas like audio, video. It include the more extension is a different extension, and it's a different version we are taking.
How to use indexing in database?
Indexing means it's indicating a point in a database, and we need to create a column and we need to index it, and we need to retrieve the data, and we can perform some operations on it.
Difference between linear and non-linear data types?
Linear and non-linear data structures are the types of the data structures. Linear data structures are where the elements are structured in a sequential manner, such as queues, stacks, arrays, linked lists. Whereas in non-linear data structures, the data elements are arranged in a non-hierarchical manner, and where the here operations were done, and there is a complexity in the non-linear data structures.
Explain drop and truncate.
Drop and truncate are mainly used in database management system, where drop means drop consists of data structuring and modeling and functionings and its aggregates and functions. Once we drop a table, it includes these features. These all the features will be entirely deleted where a truncate means the only the values inserted in the table will be get rid of, and the remaining data structures and the triggers and whatever the functions we have built with to create a table, they all set to that.
Explain dynamic programming.
Dynamic programming means we are taking a programming and dividing into subparts. So working on that subparts makes us to cover the memory space and time management. So working on those subparts and get together a big makes the code very efficient and in a good manner.
Explain ER model.
ER means entity relation model. This is basically used when we want to create a database based on it, and when we want to create a schema, we use this entity relation model. Entity relation means the entities are get together interrelated with by using some relations, and there are different types of attributes that set to an entity.
Difference between MySQL and Oracle.
MySQL and Oracle are both are relation database management systems, and MySQL is a software database where we used create a database, and we perform some operations where we can manage our database. And Oracle is the same as that. This is both have the same operation, but they have different commands to work on.
What are your short-term and long-term goals?
My short-term goal is to now become an best data analytic in my present situation, and my long-term goal is to set a company and where I need to give employment to most of the people.
What does success refers to?
Success means it's about holding both the personal life and the professional life. Success, it's a disciplinary manner, and it's about consistency in our life.
Who has inspired you in your life and why?
Many people have inspired the most, but the most important who person inspired me is my mother, and she said me the rules and the honors to give to the others, and the success we need to follow to the others, and the manner we have to behave with other people, all the things, and learning from our lecturers is the blessed for me.
What are
My strengths and weaknesses are my strengths are capable of managing and need to do work on the on time, and no weaknesses means there is no particular reason of a weakness regarding with that.